Well, hello everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you the Terrafreeze Extra Strength Pain Relief Cream. It's for arthritis pain, joint inflammation, muscle pain, neck and back pain. And this is it right here. And I did put a little bit on, but I'll do it again. I took it out because, I have arthritic hands and knees. So anything that I can get that can freeze it, I'm going to like it. So how's everybody doing today? I'm doing fine. I'm opening up first. I'm doing fine. Just catching up with today's review day. Catching up with my videos. And I had it open before. Now it's not going to open. That wasn't the one I had open to the refrigerator. I'm wrong about that. But this is probably, I have to smell it. Some of them smell medicated and some of them smell over the top. Everybody doing fine? I'm doing fine. Nice. Finally, we got some sun, but wow, that went away real fast. It was out for a minute. I guess it visits every now and then. The sun visits every now and then. It's not shining again. My granddaughter looked at me when I said the sun wasn't visiting. Okay, so I'm going to place this on my hands. Yeah, it's not medicated, but not that bad. Some of them are like, really. I haven't had a lot, but some of them are very powerful. But these are nice. This is nice. It's medicated, but it smells subdued. It's medicated, but it's not going to go all over the place. And it does freeze. You can feel it. Not like the frozen from the ice, but you can just feel it like you've got a glove on your hand. That might work. So, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. There's my granddaughter waving to you. Again, this is Terrafreeze. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.